Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back home. I'm very happy to see you again. Today is Thursday, April the 2nd, and this is our second session this week. We are in Unit 6, and today we are going to deal with telling time, but another way of telling time. It's telling time part 2. And our steps for today are we will see a review of part 1, and we have vocabulary. We're going to present new items to give you other words that have special relation with the telling time. We're going to present the new words, new ways of telling time, using past and to. We will have an exercise to practice such words, past and to, and then we will end up with the homework. Of course, our exercise will be with the correction. Then we will end up with the homework. Okay, let's start. So as we said last time, to ask about time, we use the questions. We either ask what time is it or what's the time. What time is it or what's the time? But how can we answer? We are going to answer. We just say it is plus the hour plus the minute. It is plus the hour plus the minute. For example, it's 4:30. It's 3:50. And this way, okay, this is a very simple way of telling time. And today we will see a new way of doing that using two important words, past and to. Past and to. All right, let's go on. Again, this is an example. What time is it? This is an example of what we already did. It's 3 o'clock. We said 3 o'clock because we don't have any minute. We have 2 zeros here. No minutes, so it's 3 o'clock. We don't say it's 3:00. No. We say it's 3 o'clock. Here it's 5:10. It's 5:10. Here it's 7:22. It's 7:22. Here it's 16:35. 16:35. Here is 23:55. 23:55. Okay, so this is what we saw last time. Today we're going to see a new way of telling time. As parts of vocabulary again, these are some words, very important words to it's very important to know these words. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Of course, we all know this. 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours is 1 day. 7 days is 1 week. 4 weeks means 1 month. 12 months, 1 year. We already saw this. We've already seen this. 12 months, 1 year. 10 years, 1 decade. And 100 years is 1 century. 100 years is 1 century. I repeat, 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours is 1 day. 7 days is 1 week. 4 weeks is 1 month. 12 months is 1 year. 10 years is 1 decade. And 100 years is 1 century. These are some of the very important words. Now we are going to introduce the words half and quarter. Half and quarter. What is half? Half is 30 minutes. Half is 30 minutes. We say it's half. Okay, it's half an hour. Half an hour is 30 minutes. And the hour contains 2 halves. 2 halves. 2 halves. Okay, 30 minutes plus 30 minutes is 1 hour. So 30 minutes is half an hour. Okay, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is quarter. Quarter. We say in Arabic we say ربع. Okay, 50 minutes is one quarter. Okay. All right, let's move on. So we have two important words, as I said. We said we have half and quarter. Half and quarter. Half, quarter. Okay. So, but how we are going to use these words? We will see this. How we're going to use past and to. These are two important words to know. Past and to. We say the minute, then past or to, then the hour. How? Let's see. Now look at this clock. This is a clock face or a watch face. Okay, this is the face of the watch. We have past here and to here. We will start with the minute and the hour. The minute first. Number one is the minute. Then we will go to the hour. Here, for example, it's 5 past. Here we have o'clock. For example, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. And here it's 5 past 1. Starting with the minute. Minute past hour. Minute past hour. Okay? 10 past. 10 past 1. Quarter past 1. 20 past 1. 25 past 1. And half past 1. Okay? So here with the uses of past and to, we start with the minute, not with the hour. Not as the same way, the same method we saw last time on let's say last session. We saw that we start with the minute, with the hour, then the minute. And today we'll start with the minute, then past or to, and the hour. 5 past 1, 10 past 1, quarter past 1, 20 past 1, 25 past 1. This is so we start with the minute, then we move on to the hour. Half past 1, and here we will start with the minute, but it's minus before. Okay, 25 to 2. Okay, 20 to 2, quarter to 2, 10 to 2, 5 to 2, and 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. This is just I gave you the example with the hour, with the having bearing in consideration that we have the word hour. Okay, move on. Let's see an example of past, how we can use past. Look at this. 5 past 10. 5 past 10. 5 past 10. 5 past 10. So the minute past the hour. Okay, 5 past 10. Here we have 12, two ways. 15 past 12. It's 15 past 12, or it's the same. 15 is quarter. 15 is quarter. It's the same thing. Okay, quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. Here we have 20 past 14. 20 past 14. And here we have 30 past 14. 30 past 20. I'm sorry. 30 past 20, or half past 20. Half past 20, or 20 past or 30 past 20. 30 past 20 or half past 20. Okay, because 30, look here, because 30 is the same as half. Half and 30 is the same thing. They are the same thing. 30 minutes is one half. Okay, and 15 is 1 quarter. So let's repeat these examples. 5 past 10, 15 past 12, or quarter past 12. They mean the same thing. 20 past 14, 30. Here we have 30 past 20, or half past 20. All right, let's move on. Now we'll see how to use the word to. Look at this. 35 to 3. 35 not to 2, to 3, because 25 before 3. 25 before 3. We say in Arabic, we say قل. أقل. Okay, 25 to 3. 20 to 9. 20 to 9. 20 to 9. So it's not 9, it's 20 before 9. Okay, 13. Here we have 15 to 14. 15. We add 15 here, or we add quarter here to be 14. To be 14. 15 to 14, or quarter to 14. So we said already that 15 is the same as quarter. 5 to 23. 5 to 23, it means that it's 23 minus, or let's say it's 5 before 5 before 2020. Alright, we said that it's 5 before 23 or 5 to 23. Now we're going to practice all this in an exercise that we'll see the exercise here. Now look at this, let's say digital clocks, and tell me what time is it, or what's the time. Please stop the video, do the exercise, then come back to the video to check your answers. Okay. Moving on, let's have a look. After you did the exercise, after you do the exercise, we will see, or we will all see the correction. Look at this. Now it's the example number 1 is 5. It's 5 o'clock, or just it's 5. Okay, it's 5. It's 5 o'clock. Here we have 2. We can say this. We can tell time here in 2 ways. It's 15 past 9, or it's quarter past 9, since 15 is the same as quarter. 15 and quarter, 15 minutes. Okay. Here we have it's 30 past 11, or it's half past 11. Here we have it's 25 before 15, or 25 to 15. It's 15 to 19. It's 15 to 19, or quarter to 19. 15 to 19 is the same as quarter to 19, because as we said here, we have 15. 15 to is not the same as 15 past. 15 past, 15 to, 15 before. Okay, or quarter past. It's not the same as quarter to so it's 15 to 19. Here it's quarter to 19, and here it's 5 to 21. 5 to 21. It's 5 before 21. Okay. After that, I'll give you an exercise to do at home. This is a sort of homework. Please look at this picture. You'll find the picture with the video. You can download it alone. Okay, in your copybooks, or just stop the video and tell me what time is it. Write it in here. We have number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, and the question is what time is it? Okay, it's the same as the exercise we did last time. We did just before. We have just done, and this is another sort of clocks, or another sort of watches. This is an analog clock. It has 2 hands. This is the hour's hand, and this is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. We don't have the second hand here because it's not important. Because we don't tell time in seconds. We just tell time in minutes and hours. So we don't need the other one. All right, and you will do this, please. We will correct it next time, or just send it to me. We will correct it on our WhatsApp group today, of course. At the end, of course, I want you to join our WhatsApp group using this number. Just send me a WhatsApp message on this number, and we are trying to gather all students of the 3rd year middle school in this group, and we are just, we are trying to offer as much help as we can. I hope that you can join as soon as possible, because a lot of students are not yet in the group, and we want all them to be there to get the benefit that we wanted. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope to see you again next session. Bye bye. Stay safe, please.